This video is going to go over connecting your smart device to the ELD that is in the truck. Connecting that smart device to that ELD is the backbone of the ELD mandate, and you are considered non-compliant if you are not connected to that ELD. So let's go over a couple ways on how you identify that you are currently not connected to the device inside the truck. First and foremost, you'll see a big yellow line up here on top of the application. This yellow line, along with saying vehicle disconnected, is telling you that you are not connected to the truck, that you need to get connected. Another way you would be able to tell is this icon right here, this computer screen with the X through it, is also telling you you are not connected to that device that's in the truck. Last but not least, if you are driving down the road and you do not see this lock screen come up while you're driving, you are not connected to the truck because it is not registering that automatic transition into driving, telling that tablet to go into the lock screen. So if you do not see this while you are driving, you are not connected. Okay, we identified how to tell we are not connected to the truck. Let's get connected. Up here on the big yellow ribbon, you're going to see a connect button. You go ahead, you click that connect button. A pop-up will come up that will give you an option between a manual connection or connect. You are going to want to choose the manual connection, okay? Click manual connection. The next pop-up is going to ask you Geometris or Pacific Track. All of your devices are going to be Geometris. The Geometris is also defaulted on the screen. So you're just going to click next. Next up, you're going to see any of the devices that are within range of your Bluetooth on your smart device. Okay? If you are sitting in a lot of trucks, you might see what you're seeing here, a couple of different devices. All right? When you see this, the top device with the green triangle is going to be your Huckleberry. That's going to be the one you're going to want to connect to. So in order to connect to that device, you simply click on it. Once you click on it, it might have a pop-up that tells you it's associated with another vehicle. If it was put into a vehicle before, you're going to want to hit connect anyway. Now you're going to get the hamster wheels of death. They are going to spin while it is connecting to that device. Once you have 3 check marks, you are successfully connected to the device. Any uncertified logs will pop up at this time as well. And now you can see up here, you no longer have that yellow line. And our little computer icon with the X through it has now changed to a little Wi-Fi signal or Wi-Fi antenna with the signal coming out of it. This is telling you that you are currently connected to the truck and you are indeed compliant with the ELD mandate.